Meal prep recipes for weight loss on a budget. Let us be honest, it is no secret that some gain weight not because they want to, but because of the type of food they eat. Most of the time, the choice of food is not by choice, but what they can afford. In this video, I will share a healthy meal prep that is affordable and can help you lose weight. Meal prepping offers many benefits, especially if you are trying to lose weight. Having healthy, ready-to-eat meals always at hand means you never have an excuse to resort to fast food or splurge on eating out. Plus, your meals are already portioned out based on your macro or caloric requirements, so you never end up overindulging. Lastly, it's easier to stay on budget, not only because you can avoid dining out, but also because you're preparing several meals all at once. Getting in shape and living a healthy lifestyle does not have to be expensive. Here are a few meal prep recipes for weight loss on a budget. Breakfast: black bean burritos. Ingredients: 1 sweet potato peeled and cubed, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, 1 cup of salsa, 1 cup black beans rinsed, 7 tortillas. Procedure: in a large bowl, combine olive oil, chili powder, garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper, and cumin. Add in sweet potato cubes and toss until evenly coated. Spread out sweet potato cubes onto a baking sheet. Place in a preheated oven and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Once done, remove the baking sheet from the oven. Add the black beans and toss to flavor the beans as well. Set aside. To assemble, place a heaping tablespoon of salsa on each of the tortillas. Divide the sweet potato and black bean mixture across all 7 tortillas. Fold up the burritos and set aside. Place a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place 1 to 2 burritos, seam side down, and brown for approximately 2 minutes. Flip over and do the same for the other side. Keep the burritos in the fridge or freezer and microwave whenever you're ready for a meal. Lunch: chicken stir-fry with brown rice. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, divided, 6 cloves garlic, finely minced, 2 cups broccoli florets, 2 cups mushrooms, 2 bell peppers, sliced, 2 pounds chicken breast fillets, cut into 1-inch cubes, salt and pepper to taste, 1½ cups chicken broth, 3 teaspoons sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 4 teaspoons sesame oil, 4 cups brown rice cooked. Procedure: heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large wok or pot. Add garlic and sauté until slightly browned. Add in the broccoli, mushrooms, and bell peppers. Remove from heat, transfer into a bowl and set aside. Add the remaining olive oil into your pot. Add the chicken and season with salt and pepper. Stir fry until browned. In a bowl, combine chicken broth, sugar, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Pour mixture over the chicken until it starts to simmer. Add the vegetables back into the pot and stir fry until the sauce starts to thicken. Add in the brown rice and stir fry until thoroughly combined. Divide into 7 separate containers. Keep in the fridge and microwave when you're ready to eat. Dinner: beef stew with mashed sweet potato. Ingredients for mashed sweet potato: 6 medium sweet potatoes peeled and cubed, 2 teaspoons salt divided, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 bunch fresh flat leaf parsley, 1/4 cup sour cream, ground black pepper to taste. Ingredients for beef stew: 2 pounds beef cut into 1-inch cubes, 1 onion sliced, 2 stalks celery sliced, 6 carrots sliced, 1/2 cup tomato juice, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. Procedure: place sweet potatoes in a large pot and cover completely in water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and let the pot sit covered over medium-high heat. When the water starts boiling, lower the heat to medium. Remove the cover and simmer the potatoes for about 10 minutes or until they are tender. Drain the sweet potatoes and return them to the pot. Mash the sweet potatoes and add the garlic, parsley, sour cream, and black pepper. Fold the potatoes until the herbs are distributed evenly. Divide the mashed potatoes evenly and layer at the bottom of 7 different containers. For the beef, place all the ingredients in a large pot. Stir to combine thoroughly. Place over medium-high heat. Once it starts to boil, lower the heat to medium and cover the pot. Let it simmer untouched for 30 minutes and then stir to avoid scorching at the bottom of the pot. Simmer for another 30 minutes or until it develops a thick sauce. Remove from heat and layer on top of the 7 servings of mashed sweet potatoes. Keep in the refrigerator and microwave when you're ready for a meal. These meal prep recipes for weight loss on a budget are inexpensive and require minimum effort to prepare. These ideas will help you save time and money, give you access to healthy meals, and help control your calorie consumption. So not only will you be able to achieve your weight loss goals at minimal cost, but also lead a healthier life. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.